Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this quick little tutorial, we're going to discuss everything you need to know about baking. From the basic principles to the different mixing methods and some helpful tips. Let's get started. Let's talk about leavening. This is the key to making your baked goods rise and become light and airy. There are three common types of leavening agents: baking powder, baking soda, and air. Baking powder is a double-acting leavening agent, which means it releases gas when mixed with liquid and again when heated. Baking soda, on the other hand, needs an acidic ingredient like buttermilk or lemon juice to react and produce carbon dioxide. Air, on the other hand, is incorporated through creaming butter and sugar or whisking eggs. Next, let's look at the different mixing methods. There are three main methods: creaming, rubbing in, and whisking. The creaming method is used for cakes, and the rubbing in method is used for biscuits. As the name suggests, the creaming method involves creaming butter and sugar together until the mixture is light and fluffy. This incorporates air into the batter, which will make the cake light and airy. Next, eggs are added one at a time, followed by the dry and wet ingredients alternately. It's important to mix the ingredients just until combined. Overmixing can develop the gluten in the flour, resulting in a tough cake. The rubbing in method is used for biscuits. This method involves rubbing cold butter into flour until the mixture resembles breadcrumbs. This also incorporates air into the dough, which will make the biscuits flaky and tender. After adding the liquid, the dough should be formed, but not over-kneaded. Overworking the dough can also toughen the biscuits. And finally, the whisking method is used for sponges. This method involves whisking eggs and sugar together until the mixture is light and fluffy. The dry ingredients are then gently folded in. Again, overmixing can knock out the air that was incorporated through whisking. Now let's look at some helpful tips. For biscuits, use cold butter for a flaky texture. Don't overmix the dough. For cakes, make sure all ingredients are at room temperature for proper emulsification. For sponges, whisk the eggs and sugar thoroughly. Gently fold in the dry ingredients. Don't overmix. That's it for the basics of baking. With a little practice, you'll be baking like a pro in no time. So grab the recipe, gather your ingredients, and get baking. And don't forget to share your delicious creations with us. Happy baking!